everybody. This is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well, I am in a cooperation with Beebeecraft, and I will leave their link down below. And guys, please go check them out. And I also have a coupon code that if you use it, you will save 10% on your whole order. And I would truly, truly appreciate that. And let me show you what I have that they were so gracious to send me. And this is going to be super fun. As you know, Beebeecraft sells all kinds of different products. They sell dyes, they sell crafting kits, they sell charms, you name it, they've got it. So guys, you really need to go check them out. And let me show you what I have. Let me get this off here. Come on. All right. So the first thing that I have is this awesome die set, and it's called the String Light Pattern Dies. And I will leave the link to each of these products also down below. And let's see. Look how stinking cute this is. Looks like it comes with, let's see, what does that say there? Be Merry. And you can put that in the banner. So you've got all of these lights. And they've got the string here. And then you've got these little string lights there and some stars. How stinking cute is that? So that would be perfect for a Christmas card. So there is the string lights. And this one looked so fun. I had to get it because you could use this for anything. This is going to be a whale die set. And it's like a wishing well. How cute is that? And it's got all of these flowers and leaves. And it's got the whole whale that you can make like a wishing well. And you can use this for Christmas, Halloween, Easter. Decorate it any holiday that you can think of. How stinking cute is that? Super excited to play with that. And this is what I'm really excited to play with. This is a keychain set, and it's of an angel. And guys, look at this set. You get everything you need to gift this. You've got these beautiful little bags that you can put your keychain in. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those gorgeous? So you get that. You get the wooden tag after you make your keychain that you can, not wooden, it's cardboard that you can put your keychain on and then put it in the bag. And we're going to make one of these together. You've got your ribbon for your keychain. And then look at this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful angel ring. And it says, made with love. And look at this beautiful angel. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. I think that would just be a beautiful gift to give somebody. Just gorgeous. And with Christmas coming up, perfect, perfect stocking stuffers. So we're going to put one of these together. So stinking cute. So this is the angel keychain set. And last, but certainly not least, is my favorite stuff. This is the Antique Bronze Steampunk Gear Jewelry Kit. And look what you can make out of this set. We can do earrings, necklaces, and I think that I want to make a necklace out of this. And then the gears you can use for anything else. And it actually comes with instructions on how to make them. I've never done this before. So this is going to be super fun for me to do because I've got the pliers. So it shows you step by step how to make the necklace, the earrings. Look how stinking cute. And let me find my scissors and we will get in this and we will look at these gorgeous, gorgeous gears. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. I'll probably be bombarding you with videos. I'm going to try to catch up. I'm so far behind. Please forgive me, guys. I'm so far behind of visiting and everything. All right, so we're going to have to cut this off too. So let's get this off. And look at this awesome little case. Look at that. And you get, and this is fun, fun, fun. You get these big gears here, gears. Here is the earrings and the jump rings, chain, and more gears and more gears. I am in gear heaven. This is awesome. I can't wait to get started. So be on the lookout. We are going to make some necklaces together and keychains. And I'd like to thank Beebeecraft. I truly, truly appreciate that. And guys, if they're doing a YouTube program that if you have more than 100 subscribers, and if you're interested, I will leave the link down below to where you would be able to get some free products and try their products out. So just go check them out. You will not be disappointed. So thank you once again to Beebeecraft. And guys, I truly appreciate you hanging with me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.